Let's discuss what are congruence of segments. This is related to segment. Segment means a line or a piece of line. Congruent means same. So, if there are two segments, let's consider them as 7 centimeter and another segment same of 7 centimeter. So, these two segments A, B and P, Q. These are of 7 centimeter each. Yes, so these two segments are congruent to each other. Segment AB congruent to segment PQ. You have to write here segment. Okay. If we have two segments with different lengths, this is 5 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. X, Y, W and Z. Segment XY is not congruent to segment WZ. Okay, since their measurement is not same, their length is not same. Let's see congruence of angles. We have to draw angle now. Let's draw an angle of 40 degrees. This is an angle of 40 degrees. We will draw one more angle same of 40 degrees. So these two angles, angle A, B, C and angle P, Q, R are congruent. Angle A, B, C congruent to angle P, Q, R. If we don't have same angles, we have something different. One angle is like this and another angle is different. Visually, you can see that these two angles are not same. This is acute, this is obtuse angle. Let's say it as X, Y, Z and this as M, N and O. These two are not congruent. How will you write? Angle X, Y, Z not congruent to angle M, N, O. This symbol is for not congruent. You just draw is equal to sign, one S like diagram, yes, and then you make a slash on it. It becomes not congruent, whereas this becomes as congruent. Congruence of circle. Now for circle we have to think of radius. For radius we require a compass. We will draw a circle. Let's randomly take any length between the sharp end and the pencil end. We'll draw a circle. Yes, this is one circle and this is another circle. These two are congruent to each other because their radius is same. Their radius is same. Circle R is congruent to circle P. Let's say it as P and this as R. Now here, if we have two circles, let's draw one with any radius and little bit bigger, another circle. Okay, we have drawn two circles with two different radii. The plural form to pronounce radius is radii, not radiuses. Okay, this is circle X, this is circle Z. So circle X is not congruent to circle Z. Hope you understand today's class. Thank you.